Are your digital marketing efforts falling flat? You might be making some critical mistakes that are holding you back. One major mistake is neglecting your target audience. Trying to appeal to everyone often leads to generic campaigns that fail to connect. Another common error is ignoring mobile optimization. With over 60% of online traffic coming from mobile devices, this can be a costly oversight. Skipping SEO basics is another pitfall. Relying solely on paid ads can limit your long-term growth. Overlooking analytics can lead to missed opportunities. Focus on metrics like conversions and ROI to refine your strategy. Failing to engage on social media makes your brand appear unresponsive. Dedicate time daily to interact with your audience and join relevant conversations. Mistake number 6. Not retargeting your audience. Mistake number 7. Focusing too much on selling. Remember, digital marketing success depends on a focused, data-driven, and customer-centric strategy. Avoid these mistakes to achieve greater engagement and long-term growth. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share if you find the video useful.